सहज थेरेपी, जोड़ों के दर्द के लिए जोड़ नहीं सोच बदलो,
जोड़ नहीं सोच बदलो.
Are you facing a knee problem in your routine life? Are you not able to go for morning walk even after committing to your friends? Your friends are waiting to meet you since long, but you are not able to meet them. Your grandchildren wants to play with you, but you are finding it difficult to play with them. All those things which you used to very comfortably do in the past have now become painful to perform. Are you devoid of small pleasures of life due to joint pain? Has your life now become confined to small area? You must have heard about cell therapy. This new and innovative technique is now helping to cure patients around the world who are suffering from serious knee pain. After years of research and hard work, Australian scientists Dr. Van Thomas and Dr. Ralph Bright have developed this modern technique. In this technique, a very small incision of around 3 mm is made on the patient's belly and the fat is extracted by the way of lipoaspiration. Millions and billions of cells are then separated from the fat in the advanced lab without using any enzymes or chemicals. It takes about 40 minutes to complete the process. Under sonography guidance, these cells are then injected into the knee. This entire process is carried out under local anesthesia and the patient can comfortably make movements immediately after the procedure. Thousands of patients have been cured since 2009 in Australia alone. Sahaj Regenerative Cell Therapeutic is proud to bring this Australian patented technique now in India. It now plans to provide this Sahaj therapy by establishing Sahaj clinics across the country. Sahaj Therapy is committed to provide a comfortable and painless treatment for arthritis patients. You can now get rid of your knee pain by this modern technique and happily start living a normal life. Sahaj Namaskar.